Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Every day, we witness the world unfolding around us. There are moments of power, struggles for justice, tests of faith. But have you ever stopped to wonder who truly controls it all? The 20th juz of the Quran takes us through powerful stories and deep reflections, reminding us that everything, our lives, our choices, our destinies, are in Allah's hands. It begins with a striking truth. There are signs of His power everywhere. Surah An-Naml presents 5 undeniable signs of Allah's control: the vast earth and sky, the winds and oceans, the helpless finding hope, the lost finding guidance, and the ultimate reality, resurrection. But despite these signs, people turn away. And then, in a single moment, everything will change. The trumpet will sound, mountains will move like clouds, every soul will face either reward or regret. It's a sobering thought, one that leads us straight into the next chapter. Surah Qasas takes us back in time to one of history's most powerful struggles, Prophet Musa against Pharaoh. Imagine a helpless infant floating in a river, destined to bring down an empire. Prophet Musa grows up in the palace of the very man who seeks to destroy him. Yet, Allah's plan unfolds perfectly. He flees as an outcast, only to return as a messenger armed with truth. The sea splits, justice prevails, and Pharaoh, who was once untouchable, meets his end. But oppression doesn't always come from rulers. Sometimes it comes from arrogance within ourselves. Qarun had wealth beyond measure, status beyond reach, but pride blinded him. He believed his success was his own doing, forgetting the one who gave it to him. Then, in an instant, the earth swallowed him and his treasures whole. This is a warning to us all. Power and wealth don't make you invincible. Only faith does, and faith is tested in ways we least expect. That's where Surah Ankabout shifts our perspective. Think of a spider's web. It's intricate, it's delicate, but ultimately it's very fragile. Allah tells us that anything we rely on besides Him is just as weak. This life is full of trials. Every believer, every prophet faced them. But the strongest are those who hold on even when everything around them seems to collapse, because in the end, only faith lasts. And soon, the final test will arrive. Judgment Day, the moment everything we worked for, everything we believed in, will be laid bare. The world will change, power will fade, only faith and good deeds will remain. So what's the takeaway from Juz 20? Trust in Allah's plan. Stay humble no matter what you achieve. And when life tests you, remember, your faith is your strength.